A bed vacuum cleaner removes dust, allergens, and mites, improving sleep quality, hygiene, and overall household health effortlessly. My today's video is about top 5 best bed vacuum cleaner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Creature's X1 Robot Bed Vacuum. The BOTX1 fully automated bed vacuum cleaner brings a smart and effortless approach to mattress cleaning. Its intelligent path planning system covers the entire bed surface efficiently, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing and reducing physical strain. With one-touch operation and 9 precision sensors, the robot safely avoids edges and obstacles while automatically shutting off after cleaning, making daily maintenance incredibly convenient. What truly stands out is its powerful deep cleaning performance. Combining 15,000 high-frequency beats per minute with strong 14 AW suction, the Bot X1 effectively removes hidden dust, debris, and pet hair trapped inside fabrics. The integrated 270 nanometers UVC light adds an extra layer of hygiene, while the automatic safety shutoff ensures worry-free use. The anti-tangle brush and HEPA filtration system are especially useful for pet owners and families with babies, helping maintain fresher, cleaner bedding. With multiple cleaning modes and fabric-friendly technology, the Bot X1 delivers a reliable, modern solution for healthier sleep environments. Now our second product is GXCSK Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This mattress vacuum cleaner delivers impressive deep cleaning performance with its powerful 500W motor, 16 kilopascal suction, and 30,000 revolutions per minute vibration system. It effectively lifts hidden dust, pet hair, and debris trapped deep inside mattresses, sofas, and upholstery, helping create a fresher and healthier sleeping environment. The strong suction power combined with high-frequency beating technology makes everyday cleaning faster and more efficient. One of its standout features is the advanced dual purification system that combines 253.7 nanometers UVC light with 40,000 Hz ultrasonic technology. This system targets invisible particles deep within fabric layers, while the intelligent safety sensor automatically disables UVC exposure when the device is lifted, ensuring safe operation. The addition of 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air technology helps keep mattresses dry and refreshed by reducing moisture buildup. Its widened suction port, anti-tangle brush, and intelligent green light dust display make cleaning more precise and convenient. With dual-cup HEPA filtration and washable components, this vacuum cleaner offers long-lasting performance and excellent hygiene maintenance for modern homes. Our third product is Xiaoling Bed Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiaoling cordless mattress vacuum cleaner combines convenience, portability, and powerful cleaning performance in a compact design. Equipped with 16 kilopascal strong suction, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, fine debris, and hidden particle from mattresses, sofas, cribs, and carpets, helping maintain a fresher and healthier home environment. Its advanced cleaning system integrates 253.7 nanometers UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and high-frequency brush rotation for deeper fabric care and improved hygiene. The lightweight cordless design makes daily cleaning effortless. With 2 suction modes and up to 35 minutes of runtime, it offers flexibility for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning sessions without the restriction of cords. The one-touch operation also makes it simple and user-friendly for any household. Another highlight is the innovative dual dust cup system paired with multi-layer HEPA filtration, which helps separate dust efficiently while capturing fine particles for cleaner air output. Easy maintenance, reusable filters, and included accessories make this vacuum cleaner a practical and thoughtful addition to modern homes. Now number 4, Fepo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This UV mattress vacuum cleaner is designed for deep and hygienic home cleaning, combining strong performance with practical usability. Powered by a 500W motor, it delivers 16 kilopascal suction and 30,000 revolutions per minute high-frequency tapping, effectively loosening and extracting fine dust, skin flakes, and embedded debris from mattresses and sofas. It helps maintain a consistently fresher sleeping environment, improving overall home hygiene. Its 18 centimeters wide suction inlet allows faster coverage, while the lightweight 3.8-pound body and ergonomic handle make it easy to control during extended cleaning sessions. The 16.4-foot power cord adds convenience by reducing the need for frequent unplugging. Advanced UVC light, 253.7 nanometers, combined with 40,000 Hz ultrasonic technology provides deep layer sanitation, supported by safety sensors that prevent UV exposure when lifted. The 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying function further enhances cleanliness by reducing moisture and odors. A multi-layer HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of fine particles, ensuring strong, long-lasting suction. Built-in safety protections like motor overheating and entanglement shutdown make it a reliable, user-safe cleaning solution for modern households. And our last choice is Amazon Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This premium mattress vacuum cleaner is designed for everyday fabric care, offering a balanced combination of steady airflow and high-frequency tapping to maintain mattresses, sofas, and other home textiles. It focuses on convenient daily maintenance, helping keep sleeping and living areas cleaner and more comfortable with minimal effort. Its 5-in-1 cleaning system is a standout feature, combining 253.7 nanometers UVC light, ultrasonic vibration, high-frequency tapping, hurricane-style airflow, and strong suction power. Together, these technologies work to lift dust, fine debris, and embedded particles, delivering a more thorough fabric cleaning experience while supporting a healthier home environment. A unique addition is the ambient humidity monitoring system, which tracks microenvironment conditions and encourages maintaining an ideal 45% to 65% humidity range for better comfort. The design is lightweight, ergonomic, and fabric-friendly, ensuring smooth operation without damaging delicate materials. With a washable high-density filter, detachable dust container, and easy one-hand handling, this vacuum cleaner offers practical, long-term usability for modern household cleaning needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.